Hey guys, it's Eric, and today is Wednesday, November 28th, and I'm here with your AOTD. Okay, so my kids, especially Parker, have become really good at coming up with another option every time that I say no to him. So Sophia was really good at it too at one point, but more so Parker now. Sophia's getting it. So now every time I say no to Parker, he has another option. Or new offer, I guess I should say. So today's AOTD is this. So today's AOTD is this, and this goes along with the lines of you being a creator, you being a person who is an influencer, you being anybody who is putting something out there that you want somebody else to see. This is for you. Today's AOTD is this. No stands for next offer. It doesn't mean that no doesn't mean no, because no definitely means no in certain situations and circumstances, but in this context, no means next offer. Okay, so you're understanding that whatever you presented is not being accepted, and that's okay, but you're now saying, okay, so now I have something else. Maybe that first video that you posted is not being well received. Next offer, here's a new video. Maybe you submitted a proposal to your company that was rejected. All right, next offer. Once we can get in the mindset of accepting that not everybody's going to be okay with everything that we put out there and everything that we present, and we're willing to take that no and turn it into a next offer, we're going to be much better off, guys. We really are going to be able to realize that we can have a deeper connection maybe somewhere else with a different idea. And that's great. That's okay. So that's it, guys. Today's AOTD, no stands for next offer. Hope you guys are all having a great night. I will see you tomorrow.